January yan. And the biggest mistake ko siguro dito is hindi ako nakapag-set ng stop loss. Hindi ko na set ng tama yung kung ano yung kaya kong matalo. So, in short, yung trading account ko is negative. Negative 35% to be exact. So, I don't know how to explain it to my wife, no? Kasi parang all throughout, alam niya, talagang we're building wealth by trading. So, ang ginawa ko, hindi pa natuto, nag-revenge trade ako. Revenge trade. Alam naman natin yan, mortal sin sa trading. So, ayun, another losses. And in March, around March second week, yung third telco naman ng tinrade ko. And same thing happens. Nag-incur siya ng losses. And resulting to multiple losses. So, in short, mga nasa couple of hundred of thousands yung napalugi ko. And then, hindi ako makatulog 3 araw. And sabi ng wife ko, how's your trading? Kasi alam ko parang pangit. Sabi ko, okay lang.